So now I am coming in file, I am clicking on new, then I am clicking on sketch. Give name to this sketch and click on OK. Fine. So till now we have completed this datum, then we have completed sketching, constraint, dimension, inspect we have to cover. It's a very simple thing, let us cover right now. uh, yeah, as that day I had mentioned, if I create a closed polygon, then you will notice that this polygon is shaded because of this button, shade closed loops. If I put off this guy, you will notice that this part becomes unshaded. But for us, shading is important. Shading is going to denote that this specific object is a closed object, so that I can pad it or I can shaft it, do the remaining processes. So see to it that this button is on. Okay. Now, if your object is a open object, like for example, I am creating this profile. Now, this is a open object. You will notice that the open ends over here are highlighted. It is because of this guy, highlight open ends. Fine. If I put off this, you will notice that now the open ends are not highlighted. It's very important when we create a closed kind of figure, something like this. We create something like this, guys. Okay. And over here, by some reasons we create a mistake, and in this zoom we think that the object is closed. So by two methods I will know that the object is not closed yet. One is it is not shaded. Fine. And how do I know now which end is open? So for that, a simple thing, I can click on this highlight open ends. Actually this button is on always, we also need to put it on. Because of this I will notice that these two ends are highlighted. I can come over here, and now what I can do, guys, can you tell me what I can do?
So coincide.
Yes, I can add a coincide constraint. Coincide this end with this end. And because of this guy, it's not getting coincided. Let me delete it. Fine, I deleted. And now you will notice that our object is being shaded and highlight open ends. Because of that, we came to know that this end was open, and we fixed that specific problem. Okay. Now, one more button I would like to show you over here. This is like fit to screen, which was there in our CATIA. It's called as refit over here. Zoom extends in AutoCAD, or fit all in one, or fit all in CATIA, and then refit, which is zoom extends. Okay, so everything will fit inside the screen. It's over here. This is your zoom in, and this would be your zoom out. Okay, refit. This is redraw button, repaint, and the shortcut you can see is Control R, repaint. The command R, what we type in AutoCAD, R and enter, or sometimes we type regenerate, RE for regenerate in AutoCAD and enter. So that same command refresh is over here, repaint. Then few viewing commands are there. Presently we can't use this command because no 3D object is present with us, so we can't use this command. You can go with display features, whether you want to display the dimensions or not. Okay, whether you want to display the constraints or not. Okay, see, these are the constraints, they will get hidden. Okay, I want to hide both the guys, I can hide them. Okay, then this is display grid, the grid will be displayed. And then we have display vertices. These are the vertices over here, they are highlighted. If I put off this guy, you will notice that the vertices are not highlighted. Blip marks of that vertices will go off. Fine. The setting over here is quite like good, we need to keep this setting. Fine. Now let's see the last button over here, overlapping geometry. This geometry is overlapping, and actually I don't know where it is overlapping. So what I can do is I can select all these objects, After selecting all these objects, I can click on overlapping geometry. So that will be highlighted. That will be highlighted with red color. Okay. Understood, guys? Till here, anyone has a issue?
सर रिपेंट वाला दोबारा बता दो.
Sorry.
सर रिपेंट में क्या था?
रिपेंट मतलब रिड्रॉ, रिफ्रेश करने का. अगर लेट्स से तूने कुछ यहाँ पर लाइन वगैरह निकाला है एंड बिकॉज ऑफ आई कैन से मशीन का स्लो हो जाना, उसकी वजह से ये तुझे नहीं दिख रहा है, तो यू कैन लाइक क्लिक ऑन रिपेंट, तो वो रिफ्रेश कर देता है ड्राइंग को, रिड्रॉ कर देता है. अंडरस्टूड?
यस सर.
अगर तूने एक आधा टूल यूज किया है और वो टूल वहां पर ऑपरेट हो गया है, लेकिन यहाँ पर उसके रिजल्ट्स तुझे नहीं दिख रहे हैं, तो तू यहाँ पर रिपेंट कर सकता है. अंडरस्टूड? जैसे हम कभी कभी विंडोज में
यस.
डेस्कटॉप पे F5 दबाते हैं या रिफ्रेश करते हैं ना, वैसे.
ओके सर.
ओके ओके. एनी मोर प्रॉब्लम्स, एनी मोर इश्यूज, एनीथिंग विच नीड्स टू बी एक्सप्लेन्ड अगेन? नथिंग? आज ध्रुवीन और ये नहीं है क्या? ध्रुवीन और कौस्तव? ध्रुवीन
सर वो सर मैं अभी कनेक्ट हुआ सर,
मैं
कुछ
हूँ ना
कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम था.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. लेकिन तू समझ गया है क्या? थोड़ा फार चीजें समझ गया है क्या? सिंपल सी चीजें थी.
नहीं सर, सर मैंने कुछ देखा ही नहीं, वो स्क्रीन लोड ही हो रहा.
ओ शिट. अच्छा अच्छा.
ठीक है सर, मैं बाद में लेक्चर देख लूंगा ना
हाँ
यूट्यूब
हाँ
पे.
हाँ, वो सिंपल चीजें हैं और अभी एक्चुअली हम चालू करने वाले हैं. एंड ये है क्या, कौस्तव है क्या? कौस्तव डार्लिंग
हाँ सर मैं हूँ ना.
है ना? तेरा आवाज सुनाई नहीं दिया
हाँ.
यार, सुबह से बोर हो गया मुझे इसलिए.
बढ़िया सर.
चलो चालू करते हैं. नाउ वी विल कम टू द एडिटिंग पार्ट. लेट्स सी द एडिटिंग पार्ट. I created this sketch. Okay. Now Creo gave me these dimensions. Now what are these dimensions? Are they weak dimensions or are they strong dimensions over here?
Weak
So
dimensions.
Weak dimensions. And how do I know that they are weak dimensions? How did I decide that?
सर ब्लू
From
कलर में.
color.
Sorry?
So blue color.
Blue, light blue color, right? Because of that I came to know that these are weak dimensions. Good. Now I am selecting all these objects. Okay, you can select a particular object also, not a issue, but I am selecting all these objects. I am coming in modify. Now this modify guy will give you the dimensions. Okay, and from here also you can make them strong. Like for example, this specific dimension needs to be 8. Okay, you will notice that this guy is updated to 8. Then this specific guy 3.46, I need it as 4. So this is updated to 4. Now this 3.10, this I need it as 5. So you will notice that this guy is updated to 5. And over here, I can also